Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of My Mom Thinks She Can Cook, except it's my grandma thinks she can cook. And today we're going to be making the eggplant dish thingy. Okay. Sa'a. Yeah, so we're making sa'a. And it's a dish. So the ingredients we need today: eggplant, salt, pepper, garlic powder, beef or something. Ground beef, garlic. Onion, and yeah. Don't forget tomatoes. And you need the sear mist too.
No, you don't.
Our first step is we need to peel the eggplant, put some salt on it, and then after you salt it, you're gonna leave it there for 15 minutes. So now we chop the onion. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Then you put the onions in the pan with oil in it too. Now we're gonna put the ground beef in. You can see. We're gonna put our two Ziplocs, 2 pounds of ground beef into the
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
ground beef into the pot, and then it's on the 8th setting if you're wondering, and then you just cook it. You add your garlic stuff, garlic powder, and then your pepper into it. I put the pepper in, and then stir it some more. So now I'll bring out another pan so you can fry your eggplant. So first you're gonna want to pour some vegetable oil in there. Then bring the eggplant. So now we're taking napkins and then removing the excess water from the eggplant. Then we put it into the pan and let it fry. So after you fry it and then it gets like this golden color, you're gonna move it onto the paper towel and to get the grease off or something.
Excess oil.
Yeah, the excess oil. The meat is now done. This is what it should look like with all the garlic and spices in there. So now that the meat's cooked, we're adding in our Hunt's diced tomatoes. We're adding both of the cans.
You're gonna cook it for 5.
And then what?
Cook it for 5 minutes.
And then we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. See you in 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
If you want to add any extra spices, you can add any spice you want. You can add hot sauce. You can add cumin. You can add more salt. You can add more pepper. Anything you want. Yeah, the way you like it. So now you're gonna put your eggplant into the bottom of your tray. So now we're gonna add the meat and the tomato on top of our eggplant. Mind, what you're actually gonna do is just not layer it a lot. You're just gonna put the eggplant and then the beef, and then that's all the layering you're gonna do. And then you're gonna be ready to put it in the oven. You preheat the oven to 350 degrees. That's what you do. And then you take the eggplant and put it in the oven. 25 minutes.
Okay, now we're ready
Alright.
to take it
I'm
out.
ready to take it out. My mom's back. Alright.
This is how it
Look how
looks.
good it looks.
Now I'm going to transfer it over there.
Alright.
Okay, now at this point you can add some shredded cheese or if
Cheese.
you wanted to. We're going to
Jar-
add Parmesan to the
Alright.
top. You ready?
Yep. Sprinkle on some
We're
Parmesan.
sprinkling on some generic Parmesan. Or actually, this is Kraft.
Yep.
Yeah,
Not sponsored.
yeah. Sprinkle that on. All right. And now it's time
Get
to
your spatula.
cut into this beautiful, delicious, awesome. I don't even know what it's called.
Dish. Eggplant.
What do you call it?
Moussaka in English, moussaka in
Moussaka?
Moussaka.
It's almost like ratatouille, but not really ratatouille.
Greek dish.
It's a okay.
What?
You said it's a Greek dish.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, so
And
now
now you can either eat it like this, or you can add,
some of your
Some
favorite hot
hot
jardiniere.
and then you can
To
pour
top it
yourself-
off, pour yourself some nice glass of Sierra Mist. Not sponsored.
Yes.
And
All right.
I like to eat it with pita bread, but you could also, if you're on a low carb diet, just eat it with a fork.
Yep. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And, yeah, like. Bye.
Bye.